Okay guys, I'm back and I'm just going to show you a few I did the last weeks. This has the first layer of varnish on it. So this was the one where we had all the tentacles, all the swirls on the side, and then later on I just let it flow off the canvas. So that turned out really pretty. What you see here, all this is metallic. This is metallic. Looks kind of nice. Then this is one of the bottle cap pours. Lots of metallic in it, as you can see, and when you see close up. But as you can see, what I really liked was this, how it's going into the background. Makes it look really special. Then we have one with a little bit more, we had a little bit more of the dark brown in it. Here also it went into the background, which I really like, which I hope I'm going to get back tomorrow, the same effect, which I really think is adds to the beauty of the painting. Yes. This one isn't varnished yet, so it's a little duller, but this was one I did a whole, I don't know, 6-7 weeks ago, where I pulled it into the background, and it sort of looks like a bottle cap pour, but it's not really, but it has something to it that makes it really wild and exciting. This is also a bottle cap pour. This is kind of, has a lot of metallic colors in it also, and the browns really make it pop. Then there's the blue one. This is a 20 by 20. This one is still for sale, so if you think it's pretty, just let me know. I'd hang it up like this, as you can see by the name on the side. Sort of looks like a flat fish, something like that. I think Dave said something like that. And this one, I'd hang this one up this way. It has the first varnish layer on it. It also has some really nice shiny mica sort of effects in it, and a tiny little bit of glitter going down the ribbons on top. This one also is still for sale. Then the brown one, which I thought was kind of interesting because it has so much gold and metallic bronze in it. That was one I did a couple of weeks ago. Looks kind of like a flat fish too. I think I'll call them the fish pours. And then I dug up this one. This one is one I did I don't know, maybe last year, but I didn't really think it was that interesting. So if you have anything that looks like that, and you have this, I put the ribbon on and it made it look kind of cool. I do like all this going on, but it wasn't that I thought, wow, you know, it's really speaking to me. So then I took a Posca pen. So this is a multimedia piece, you can call it that, because the Posca pen, I just put all these bubbles around the ribbons to accentuate the ribbons, and now it looks like some sort of a, I don't know, something like underwater kind of thing. And I think all these things add to the beauty of the painting. I did really like doing it because it sort of gets you in the Zen mode. See that? But the overall look is kind of bluish greenish, and then you get all these little lovely little bubbles, and some of them I put a tiny little bit of green in, just, you know, because it's in the ribbons too. So that really makes it look interesting. This one's also for sale, so if you like it, let me know. And then I have two really big ones. That's this one, with also has its first varnish layer on top. This is a really nice ocean pour, and you know, if I can sell them right here from YouTube, it saves me all the trouble of putting this on Etsy with it takes a lot of time to put an ad on Etsy. They should work that out. You know, there are so many things that you have to click on. Who made it? Yeah, I did. When did you make it? With what materials did you make it? How much is it going to cost to send it? And all that kind of stuff. Just too many. And I did find Teespring, so I think with a couple of days you'll see some merchandising under the videos. I'm just going to try that out. I'm only going to do pillows, I think. Yeah, that's really easy. Just make a square image and then you put that on a pillow. But this is one that I really think is pretty, especially if you look at those cells. They are really pretty. And then I have another one. This is also a big ocean pour with the, you know, 4 cups with the white in the center, and then it just does its thing. I'm really feeling like I want to make another one of these tomorrow, a 40 by 40, and then only a little bit less green maybe, but overall really beautiful painting. So guys, if you see anything you want, just give me a hint. You get the timestamp. If you put it on pause, you see a timestamp, and then if you tell me which one it is, I'll tell you how it works. So thanks all for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with a few other pours, and I'm going to be pouring next week because oops, I have a vacation. Yeah, I got a couple of days before I go to the island, so I thought I'd do a couple of videos, and I hope you enjoy them. So thanks all for watching, and see you back tomorrow. Bye bye.